In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install the TestRay app inside your Jira Cloud site. First, launch your Jira Cloud site and expand the sidebar. From the Apps list, click Explore More Apps. This opens the Atlassian Marketplace. In the search bar, type TestRay. You'll see TestRay listed at the top. Click on it. The app details page will load. On the top right corner, click Try It Free. Choose the Jira Cloud instance where you want to install the app. Then click Review to continue. Review the installation details and click Start Free Trial. The installation process may take a few moments. You'll see messages indicating that installation is in progress. When complete, a message will confirm the app has been added to your instance. Now, go back to the sidebar, click Apps, then select Manage Apps. Scroll down the installed apps list, you'll see TestRay listed there. That's how you install TestRay on your Jira Cloud site. Next, let's configure your app inside Jira Cloud.